Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, then let me introduce myself. My name is Deekshita and I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, like anything and everything that I myself like to watch. Now, I am not sure if this video will make it to the internet, but if you are watching this, then मैंने finally upload कर दिया है. So the main reason for making this video is to have a heart-to-heart with you and to thank you for hitting 10,000 subscribers. So yesterday we hit 10,000 subscribers का mark and I was first thinking कि मैं कोई ऐसे lavish था, कोई extravagant सा video करूँगी, something very content driven. Since most of the videos आपने notice किया होगा on my channel are very content driven. Like I try to keep काफी informative videos या फिर infotainment. तो like I want you to feel कि आपने अगर मेरी वीडियो 10, 15, 20 मिनट देखी है तो you take away something from it. एंड ऐसे ही कुछ मैंने इस वीडियो के लिए प्लान किया था बट देन आई रियलाइज लाइक आई जस्ट लव कनेक्टिंग विद यू ऑन अ पर्सनल लेवल. अभी मैंने कुछ टाइम पहले Q&A करा था, माय फर्स्ट Q&A. मैंने 1-2 व्लॉग्स अपलोड किए एंड दैट जस्ट मेड मी रियलाइज कि ये जो पर्सनल लेवल में जो वीडियोस होती हैं ये मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं एंड आई हैव बीन फीलिंग अ लिटिल इफी पास्ट फ्यू वीक्स और अ कपल ऑफ मंथ्स. सो आई जस्ट थॉट कि स्क्रैच ऑल दैट, आई जस्ट हैव अ हार्ट टू हार्ट कॉन्वर्सेशन विद यू गाइज. Thank you all and just talk about what's going on in my head in the past few weeks and what did I feel after hitting 10k and just in general basis क्या चल रहा है जिंदगी में. So I hope आपको ये वीडियो भी पसंद आएगा and you will give equal love to this video as you do to all my other videos. And yes, let's just start now. So first of all, let's talk about hitting 10k. Yay, after 2 years finally 10k hit हो गया. It's a major milestone, I know. And if I talk about what I'm feeling right now, I'm obviously very happy. Why would I not be? 10k hit हुआ है, major milestone हुआ है. Even yesterday my friends were like कि तू इतने excited होगी, तेरा 10k होने वाला है and all that. And truthfully, if I tell you the same answer that I told them, मेरा excitement kind of मर चुका है because I have been waiting to hit this for at least a week. Like जो last 100 या 50 subscribers थे वो इतने slow हुए. Even yesterday मुझे सिर्फ 10 subscribers hit करने थे and it took me the entire day. Like I think I remember I hit it at 8 or 8:30 something around that time. And normally मेरा जो average subscriber increase of a day is much larger number than 10. So I don't know, even either YouTube was testing my patience for last के 50 या 100 subscriber hit करने में or something. बिकॉज वो इतना स्लो हुआ है एंड तब तक मुझे सो गया था कि पता नहीं कब होगा क्या होगा. सो आई बीन फीलिंग आई वॉज फीलिंग कि हो ही नहीं रहा, कब होगा. सो व्हेन आई फाइनली हिट इट आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, हो गया, ये हो गया, बट व्हाट नेक्स्ट नाउ. सो मतलब आई गॉट हैप्पी फॉर अ सेकेंड बट देन आई स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग ऑफ फ्यूचर कि 100k 50k बाकी के माइलस्टोन्स कैसे होंगे. बट देन आफ्टर अ कपल ऑफ आवर्स I was just thinking about all this and I realized that what the hell, I am not enjoying the moment. Like मुझे खुशी हुई going from that 4-digit number to the 5-digit subscriber count made me happy. But I realized that I am now thinking about the future and I'm not, so I decided that I'll pause and I'll take some time, I'll enjoy this thing first and then think about the future. I am pretty sure ये आपके साथ भी होता होगा and you can relate to it. If we hit something like कोई भी हम major या small milestone hit करते हैं, we just instantly start thinking कि इसके बाद क्या, and we just don't enjoy that moment. मतलब present ही तो enjoy करना है, वही तो हमारे पास है, but हम future के लिए worry करते रहता है. So I decided to just pause and enjoy this moment, which is the reason I'm making this video today, to just thank you all for everything, like for watching my videos, for hitting that subscribe button that I always say, that red button, and for liking my videos, for giving me your honest feedback, for disliking कुछ भी, आप कुछ भी करते हो. I just want to thank you so much for that. I'm extremely grateful. I have a family of 10,000 people on the internet. I have 10,000 friends here on the internet, and I'm so damn happy about it. Obviously, I get worried कि आगे क्या होगा since it took me 2 years to hit this milestone. And कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है कि was this the correct decision? सब कुछ छोड़ के YouTube start करना, and क्या मैंने कुछ backup सही में रखना चाहिए था? Like people have been telling me throughout the 2 years कि कुछ बैकअप कर ले, कुछ बैकअप रख ले, बट आई डोंट वांट अ बैकअप. आई वांट दिस टू वर्क. आई वांट टू डू यूट्यूब. इसलिए मैंने कभी कोई बैकअप नहीं रखा. लाइक ऑब्वियसली आई हैव माय डिग्री एंड स्टफ, but then ऐसा नहीं कि I'm studying for something else also. I'm giving my 110% to YouTube because I don't want to do anything else. I just want to do YouTube. इसलिए कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि is it a wrong decision or something, but then I just remember you. I just remember how much fun I have like making videos, editing videos. I love editing videos. So फिर मुझे याद आता है, मैं काफी कमेंट्स दिख जाते हैं, आप इतने अमेजिंग कमेंट्स करते हो, तो कभी कभी तो मेरा मतलब इतना दिल खुश हो जाता है, लेकिन फिर फीलिंग लो आपका कमेंट पढ़ के मेरा दिन बन जाता है. So yes, मतलब I do get confused just like everybody else. I'm pretty sure कहीं मुझे लगता है मुझे क्वार्टर लाइफ क्राइसिस भी आ जाएगी अगले साल. But right now I want to say that I'm so grateful to you and thank you so much for watching my videos, and I am not gonna leave YouTube. I am never going to quit YouTube. Also, you all want to know more about my YouTube journey and how I started and why I started, and I will make a separate video on that. I promise you. Maybe if we hit some other milestone or something. But in a nutshell, if I tell you, I posted my first video on 7th November 2018. हमने 2 साल हिट कर लिए हैं, and I left everything to start YouTube. I'm not gonna lie, मेरा placement हुआ था, but I did not take that, and I started YouTube because I wanted to do it for the longest time. I started earning a few months back, and I've been saving all my earning for one major purchase that I'll make on December. I promise I'll vlog that also. And बाकी जर्नी के लिए तो कोई और माइलस्टोन हिट करते हैं, फिर I'll talk about it. Also, I'm manifesting 100K, and I hope you also will manifest it with me. So comment section में सब लिखो manifesting 100K, and I'm just manifesting holding that silver play button. That's my dream. Like just seeing that silver play button in person and putting it somewhere in my room. So that is something that I really want to hit. And now talking about what I've been feeling the past few months. So starting से start करते हैं. अक्टूबर में I have been feeling very stressed out because नवंबर में 2 year mark आने वाला था, and जब मैंने start किया था मुझे लगता था कि 2 years से पहले ये हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा. Also I've uploaded like I think 116 or 17 videos on the channel, and again मुझे 100 video वाले mark पे भी काफ़ी disappointment हुई थी कि अब तक भी कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ है and all that. So October has been very stressful month for me. के बाद दिवाली week के लिए I worked very hard, and उसका response was not that great. I mean मैंने काफ़ी expectation करी थी उससे, but still I want to thank everyone जिसने even during दिवाली मेरी videos देखी, and उसके बाद मैंने थोड़ा सा gap भी लिया था, but I realized कि मैंने मतलब वहाँ पे अपनी गलती से सीखा है would say कि obviously दिवाली के टाइम पे you will be busy with your friends and family, and I want that. Like दिवाली के टाइम पे I don't want you to sit and watch my videos or anyone's video for that matter. I want you to just enjoy with your family. I want you to have fun and live in that moment, not in any virtual YouTube channel or something. So there I realized that it was like मैंने ये चीज़ नहीं सोची कि दिवाली के टाइम पे people would obviously be busy, and that is very normal. So I am definitely not going to end doing series. मैं पक्का आपसे प्रॉमिस करती हूँ I'll make more series. I'll just make sure कि मैं ऐसे टाइम पे करूँ जहाँ पे आप भी उतना ही फ्री हो उन वीडियोस को देखने के लिए और अप्रिशिएट करने के लिए. And I learned from my mistake there. I'm not gonna lie. And still thank you to everyone who watched it. मैंने Q&A करा था, आपने Q&A पे इतना अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स दिया, आपका व्लॉग्स पे इतना अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स था. That just made it for me. And yes, there'll be more series in the future, and I learned it from there कि थोड़ा सा मेरे पार्ट में मैं वो प्लान नहीं कर पाई ढंग से कि और ये चीज़ नहीं सोच पाई, but a person learns from their own mistake. So yes, that's that. Also, as I said, I've been feeling थोड़ा सा stressed out and all that, but now I feel much better. एक तो ये milestone भी reach किया है, and I've realized that I'm manifesting things and I'm doing the hard work, and this will work out for me. एंड आप लोग सब इतने अच्छे से, आई थिंक आप लोग सब इतने अच्छे से गुड वाइब्स सेंड करते हो मेरी तरफ, एंड आप इतनी ब्लेसिंग्स देते रहते हो. आई थिंक उसका भी मैनिफेस्टेशन है हिटिंग 10K, एंड वी विल हिट 100K सून. टॉकिंग अबाउट द फ्यूचर ऑफ द चैनल, there's gonna be amazing content, I promise you. Since I have been trying to upgrade a little, like my equipment side, hint, तो अच्छी क्वालिटी भी आपको मिलेगी. एंड आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हो इफ़ यू वांट सम स्पेसिफिक वीडियो फ्रॉम मी, आई विल ट्राई टू मेक इट. सो टेल मी द कमेंट सेक्शन कुछ भी वीडियो रिक्वेस्ट है आपकी तरफ से. एंड आई हैव टू गो टू लखनऊ ऑन 3rd. लाइक डोंट वरी, मेरा कोई अपलोड मिस नहीं होगा. आई विल प्री शेड्यूल एवरीथिंग. But yes, I'm going there for an engagement of a very close person. Like I cannot like not go. So we'll go there just for a day. I think जल्दी COVID में वापस आना है, and we are obviously taking all the precautions and everything. So maybe I'll vlog that. Let's see. अगर मैंने vlog किया तो definitely आपको मैं एक vlog दूंगी, like a Lucknow vlog or something. And also next video is gonna be a Nykaa Pink Friday sale. Although कुछ अभी तक आया नहीं है मेरे पास, and अभी वो 2-3 दिन में मुझे वो वीडियो डालनी है. So I hope जल्दी से सब आ जाए, and I'll shoot it, edit it in one single day and upload it for you on the 3rd of December. Also yes, finally I want to talk about this community. So I am so proud of our community. Like I am not gonna lie, I'm so proud of all of you fine ladies here who are just so supportive. I just wanted to make this community however the number भी कि ये एक ऐसी community हो जहाँ पे all we girls support each other. It's a hashtag girls supporting girls community. और even boys, like even boys are welcome here, but I know मेरा content थोड़ा सा girls की तरफ ज़्यादा होता है, तो we don't have a lot of males here. But if any of you here are male, then I want to thank you also for watching my videos. And even if the content is not for you, you are watching, you are appreciating it. Thank you so much. So I just want this community full of people supporting each other. And whenever in your life you're feeling low, come here, हमें comment section में बताओ. We'll help each other. If you have achieved something, we'll be happy for you. Tell us in the comment section. Like आपकी life में कुछ भी चल रहा है, आप बिंदास comment section में उसको बताओ. And there's no one here judging each other. We are just here to support each other. And thank you so much. आप इतने amazing comments करते हो मेरी videos में. Your comments actually make my day. Like reading your comments is the best part of uploading a video. And हाँ, आज मुझे comment section में बताओ आपको ये video कैसा लगा. If you want more such, you know, personal videos, heart to heart videos where we connect on a personal level. Also connecting on a personal level reminds me कि you are getting to know me a little, but I don't know much about you. So I want you to go to the comment section and tell me कि what do you do? Like what are you doing in life? Are you studying? Are you working? What are you studying? What are you working? Like कुछ भी आपकी life में क्या है, मुझे मतलब what are you doing? Tell me in the comment section. I would love to know. And yes, I think that's it. अब मुझे और कुछ तो बोलना नहीं है. मैंने ये वीडियो फिल्म करने से पहले कोई फ्लो डिसाइड नहीं किया था. मैंने डिसाइड नहीं किया था कि what all topics I'm gonna say. So I'm pretty sure this is going to be a very messy video. It's gonna be all over the place, just like I am. But if you're still watching, if you're still here, then give yourself a big hug from my side. Give yourself a pat on the back because ये इतना मैंने इस वीडियो में बकवास करी और इतनी ऑल ओवर द प्लेस है, आप फिर भी देख रहे हो, देन यू आर द बेस्ट. एंड यस, अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर देना. क्लिक ऑन दिस रेड बटन टू सब्सक्राइब एंड इट्स एब्सोल्युटली फ्री, बट इट विल रियली हेल्प इन द ग्रोथ ऑफ माई चैनल. एंड बेल साइन अगर प्रेस नहीं करा है तो बेल साइन जरूर प्रेस करना, दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये मेरा इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल है, यू कैन फॉलो मी हेयर इफ यू वांट टू. And yes, now I'll see you next time. Comment करके जरूर जाना. Tell me anything in the comment section. And कोई video request है तो वो भी बताओ. And now I'll see you next time. Until then, keep smiling. Bye.